If you watch this, let me know what I can do to make it better. Hey besties, and welcome back to Feral Friday, where I do whatever I feel like doing. And today, I'm cooking. I want fried rice. And the only Chinese food place that had a vegan fried rice near me is closed indefinitely for renovations. So I'm making fried rice. Pray for me. So obviously the first step for fried rice is, rice. This recipe calls for 4 cups of it, which is definitely an ungodly amount, but we're gonna try to make it work in my amazing rice cooker that I'm so thankful that I have. And with my rice cooker, I just have to move it off the middle, otherwise it will burn, unfortunately. While that's going, we're gonna start cooking, and the first thing is egg. So technically tofu scramble, but have you had good fried rice that doesn't have egg in it? No, probably not. The normal, tofu, onion powder, garlic powder, some turmeric, and the secret sauce is kalanomic. It makes it taste super eggy. It's what gives tofu scramble the real egginess and what makes it so good. Once that's done, we just put it aside. That'll come back into play later, I promise. So same pan, no new dishes, and just measure garlic with your heart. I might use too much garlic, but I use that much garlic in my everyday cooking, no matter what. Then I just mix in some frozen peppers because that's what I happen to have on hand, and some frozen onion. Obviously, starting off with the recipe is just a guideline. Do what you do with what you have. And I did not include me adding in corn and broccoli, but I added those in because those are the vegetables that I had, and I believe I added some ginger in as well. And perfect timing because the rice is ready, super steamy, super exciting. So it was definitely way too much rice. I knew that 4 cups was going to be too much, but I tried to follow the recipe, and yeah, 4 cups was an excessive amount and will not fit in this pan. So my fiance definitely has a bunch of rice that he can zhuzh up however he chooses to. I'm just going to fit as much as will fit into this pan. Obviously try to stir it all together and try not to make a mess, but I'm me, so not making a mess is a little bit impossible. I'm also an absolute moron and completely forgot to include the clip of me adding in the vegan fish sauce, the tamari, which is just gluten-free soy sauce, and I believe more ginger. Then we added in the tofu scramble. I know the recipe called for half of it. I added all of it. Okay, it was a lot more rice than I expected, so sue me. I mixed in all of the tofu scramble. Let me be me. Let me live. Some sesame oil. I added some more ginger in as well, but I didn't get a clip of that, and some rice vinegar, because it doesn't taste like Chinese without rice vinegar. Oh, and then a little extra tamari, because I just need to add a little something to it. I'd been taste testing, and it needed something. And this is my favorite. This is the Daring Vegan Chicken, and we just had to add that, because do you really like fried rice without any type of meat? I'm a vegan, but I still like the meaty texture. And then we just mix that in, and there we go. And of course I'm making a mess, because why wouldn't I? Okay, so fried rice done, and the texture is definitely off. The texture and the consistency quite literally looks more like refried beans than rice. But we are going to give it a taste test. Okay. I think a little less sesame oil next time would be the vibe. I feel like this would be really good if we added pineapple to it. This would be exactly the type of fried rice that could use pineapple. And probably a little bit more ginger. It could also be that I don't have vegan oyster sauce. I only have vegan fish sauce. So I tried to make do where I could. But I feel like some more ginger and some pineapple and this would be everything. I will link the recipe that I used down below, but don't try to follow it the same way that I did, because that is way too much rice. My poor pan could not handle all that rice. But yeah, honestly, this is probably gonna be enough meals for the next week or so. Genuinely, it's that much rice. This is a vibe. This is definitely, yes, I will definitely be making this again. This is a vibe. It is now like 2 hours later and I genuinely can't even move. I am so stuffed. All in all, flavor profile, amazing. Texture left much to be desired, but very filling. So I have to give it credit where credit's due. Very filling, amazing flavor profile, just weird texture. It's definitely easier to just order Chinese food, so if the restaurant reopened, I would take ordering Chinese food over making it myself. But while the only restaurant that has vegan fried rice is closed, I'm gonna be living with that. Thank you all for joining me for Feral Friday. I know this isn't my normal Friday content, but I kind of wanted to show the kind of stuff that I cook. I'll sometimes do reels on Instagram of my different vegan and gluten-free meals, and I figured why not give a little bit of that over here. Plus, one of me and my fiance's besties is actually a chef, so maybe he can give me advice on how to give it a better texture. Eric, if you watch this, let me know what I can do to make it better. Because while it tasted good, that texture was no bueno. If y'all want to see more cooking videos from me, let me know. This obviously isn't the most fun cooking video I've ever done. I would say that my Super Bowl snacks one was probably better, or maybe even my Cook Thanksgiving Dinner With Me one that I did last year. But if you want to see more cooking videos, let me know. I would love to know what y'all want to see for Feral Fridays. Make sure to subscribe if you are not already subscribed, and go ahead and hit the bell while you're at it. Otherwise, YouTube will never tell you when I post. It is a little bit broken like that. I post new videos every Wednesday, Sunday, and then alternating Mondays and Fridays. Let me know down in the comments, have you ever tried DIYing Chinese food? How does that work for you? Have you gotten a good DIY Chinese food recipe? Because I have not found any amazing DIY Chinese food recipes. And I'm really trying. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
I don't know, but I've been told the world outside is oh so cold. So cold.